Video, I'm going to show you how to replace your cabin air filters in a Nissan Xterra. Now the Nissan Xterra is a little different than other cars. It has two small filters in it and they're located inside the glove box. These should be replaced about every year or every 15,000 miles. So if you happen to notice kind of a musty smell, it's probably your cabin air filters. If sometimes you have kind of a weird smell after a rain, it also could be your cabin air filters. Now we're going to go ahead, open up the glove box, drop it down. There's a little door back in there, and I'll show you how to remove one air filter, and then you got to slide the other one over just a little bit and remove that one. Now if you notice on your new ones, you're going to have arrows or an airflow. The arrows should point down when we insert the air filters. So let's go ahead and get started. In about a ½ inch on each side, and that's going to allow it to come down. And then you'll see a little retentioner right there. Go ahead and just pull, take that off the loop. Let that go back in just a little bit. And then if you have anything in your glove box, take that out because it will fall out. And that's going to get us access to those filters. Look back in here to the right, this little door right here, that's what's holding your filters in. So you just need to kind of pinch that piece right there at the top, and then that's going to flip down. Now that you see I have that door removed, right there is the first filter. So we'll go ahead and pull that one out, and then we just need to kind of slide the other one over and pull that one straight out. This is probably the dirtiest filter I've ever seen. Now here comes filter number 2. Holy moly. And now if you do have a lot of debris in there like this one was, I'm going to go ahead and use the vacuum and vacuum out as much as I can. I'm going to go ahead and put this back in there. I'll put an extension on there. Clean out as much as I can. Two new cabin air filters. And if you look, you'll see the arrows right here for airflow. You want to make sure those are pointing down. So this is kind of hard to see, but you're going to insert one and then slide it to the passenger side. And then you're going to insert the other one. All right, so now you can see right there are the two filters. And then all we need to do is put this door on and kind of rotate it up and let it clip into place. Grab that retention wire, pull that out, loop that back around. Make sure it's tucked under there all the way. Now we're just going to lift up the glove box, push in. You'll feel it pop into place and close it up. You'll most likely have some debris on the floor like this one. We'll go ahead and vacuum that up and call this job complete. And that's all there is to it, guys. If you've never done this before, give yourself about 15 minutes. I know that when you first open the glove box, it's going to be kind of hard to find. If you have a nice bright light, you can kind of stick it inside there so you can see what you're doing. And just pull those out kind of slow. As you can see, I don't think these have ever been changed. This car is 17 years old, and those are probably the dirtiest filters I've ever seen. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.